Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video, only here on Talk Up Guy. So for today, I'm going to show you how you can transform text to video using Canva. It's something we call magic media. So what you want to do is, if you open Canva, create a design, whether it's in video format or Facebook ad format, whatever format or layout you chose, this will work. So here in the utilization tool, just scroll down here to elements and then select this AI image generator, generate your own, and then go to videos. From here, we can type in, let's say, cat walking. From there, it will then now generate the video that you asked for. Some videos, however, might take some time, especially if it's quite difficult to generate or if you're asking for a very demanding text to be generated. But nonetheless, Canva will still do its best to create your text, transform your text to videos. Now, other things that it can do, it can transform your text to images or graphics. Now, I'm not sure, however, whether this would require you to have a subscription, but I believe so that you need a subscription in Canva to do this. I currently have a subscription to Canva, but it's worth it. Canva has a lot of things to offer, not just in editing, but also in writing, etc. It can also correct your grammar. It can also correct your structure when writing. And yeah, so right now this is the image that uh, it created for us. It's AI generated, and we got what we wanted: a cat walking. If not, then you can just click on generate again, and it'll transform or it'll create another video. And that's it. Hopefully, we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do hit, of course, the like and subscribe button and follow us for more tips and tricks only here on Talk Help Guy.